Research complete.
Hey, hello guys, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial LabVIEW plus Python. This is the tutorial number 7 about the list Python list. Okay, if someone is new, then go to the playlist and search about the LabVIEW plus Python, guys. Okay, now let's start. Yeah, first what we do, let's come on the first we need to create the Python code. Okay, first let's minimize this one. Yeah, open the VS Code, and this tutorial we already covered. Now let's concentrate on the tutorial number 7. And in this topic we covered this whole thing like append, insert, pop, delete, remove and extend to list, and about how we can change the data of the list. Yeah, first what you do, let's create the function list items. Okay, list items. And right now what you do, this is argument we need to pass, but right now I'm give the empty. And what you do, yeah, now let's create the one variable that is list data equal to create the list. Yes, and let's enter the data here. I'm at here Rohit. Okay, and Sandeep. Next one is Himanshu. This one. Now what to do, let's I'm using the return and see how it's working, how we can print this data in LabVIEW. Return which one, the this variable list data, this one. Let's call this function, and I'm using the print, call the function name that is the list. Yeah, this one, list items. Okay, and this is our function. Okay guys, now what you do, let's try to run this file. And yes, you can see Rohit, Sandeep and Himanshu. Okay, this is the list. Yeah, it's working well guys. And let's first test in the LabVIEW how it's work. Now save this one and print, let's comment this line. Yes, and this is the path. Okay, and this one is our name tut7 list.py. Now minimize this one and open the LabVIEW. And yes, this is the my folder tutorial 7, and this one is main vi, and this one is path. I already created the path here. Let's press the control E, and you can see d daily resource LabVIEW Python 2.7 list.py. If someone is new, then I already told in the previous video how you can create this one. That's why please visit on previous video, and link in description, go and visit. Yeah, everything, this one and this one. I click to run, and you see this is the full path. Okay, now save this one, close this. Yeah, this one is our main vi guys. Now press control in, let's create a code in the vi. Now come on the block diagram, right click here, and go to the connectivity Python and pin this one. Pin this one, open Python session, Python node, and this one is close Python session guys. Now select this one. I'm really sorry again. Yeah, select all this thing, right click, visible item, click to label. Yes, now right click here, go to the structure and create a while loop for continuity operation. Yes guys, now right click here and create a control. Okay, now let's modify. Right click, visible item, click to label. Yes, now first this one is Python version. Right click here and create a control, this one. Yes, this is your Python version guys. Okay, let's modify. Increase the size. Sorry. Yeah, now I'm entering the version 3.9. This is my LabVIEW version. Yeah, this session out you need to connect session in, and this session out you need to connect session in. The next one is, this one is module path. Click and go to the select vi, and select your vi where you save Python file. Okay, this one, LabVIEW Python path. Now let's check. Yeah, this one and this. Yeah, and drag here, close, and you need to connect this terminal and connect to this terminal. Yes, now let's modify. And this one is your function name. Right click and create a control. This is your function name. You need to enter the name, and that is maybe list items. Wait a few seconds, let's increase their size. Yes, Okay, now let's copy the function name. This one is your function name, list items, copy, minimize and paste here. Let's increase. And the next one is like let's modify. Right click and click to view as icon, and this one is written type, and our written type is like a list, that is means the as like an array. Now what you do, we need to create the array here. Right click and go to the array, and that is the array constant. In the array constant, what you do, we need to enter the string here. Right click, string, and string constant, drag here. This is the string array, guys. In the Python, the list as like a string. Yeah. Now, and what you do, this one is written type, you need to connect directly here. uh yes, yeah, and this one is written out, create indicator. This one let's modify. Mm-hmm. uh yes, guys. Yeah, maybe everything is done. Again, let's verify the code. Yeah, Rohit, and this one. Okay, okay, guys, done. Yes, save this one, minimize. Now click to run and see the output. Yes, guys, it's working well. Okay, Rohit, Sandeep, and Himanshu. Now, what you do? Let's modify in the running time, and let's minimize. Um yes. Now let them change like in the Sandeep, and what you do? Let's enter the another one, that is this one, and the name is like LabVIEW, and you can see here LabVIEW. It's automatic updated in the LabVIEW also. And this one is covered. Now let's come on the this one, how we can append the list. Now let's stop our vi. Now what you do, let's pass their argument, and sorry, user enter. This is our argument, user enter. And we need to use the append. How we can do this? Yes, guys. What you do, first you need to use this variable where store the list items. Now use this list items dot, and right now what you do, you need to use the append, EPPEND, this one. In the append, what to do, we need to give the argument, that is the input, user, and user enter this one. Yes, same. Maybe everything is done, and let's see how it's work, guys. So let me remove this one. Yes, the right now Rohit, Sandeep, and Himanshu only in this list. Now save this one. Yes, and let's come on the LabVIEW programming. We need to little modification. We need to do little modification here, and that is this one. Okay, this one, input parameter. We need to give the parameter here, because in the Python code you pass the one argument, guys. That's why. What you do, right click here, go to the silver, and let's choose the one string control here. I'm at here a user input string, oh sorry, list. Let's increase, same this one. Okay, let's increase the size. Let's remove this one. And what we do, you need to connect this terminal and connect to this terminal. Right click and view as icon. Now everything is done. Let's try to run how it's work. First let him click to run. Yeah, it's gives some error maybe. Okay, list items Python return the following error, that is a class attribute error. Function object had no attribute append. Okay, stop this one, and let's go to the Python programming. Yeah, maybe there have one problem. Yes, guys, this one you can see right now. This is the our variable name list data, and right now I'm using the function name. This is the problem. Now let's modify. Right now list data, this one, guys. Minimize, save, and let's click to run. It's working. Yes, guys, now it's work. Rohit, Sandeep, and Himanshu. And how it's how the append function is work. Like this one is append means when you enter the any message, that message save in the end of the list, guys. Right now what you do, let I'm give the example. I'm enter here LabVIEW, and when I click to here, and you see it's automatic update end of the list. You can see this is the meaning of the append covered. Now let's come on the insert how we can do this. Click to stop, and this one is, let's give the comment because you can easy to understand everything. Next one, what you do, I'm using the insert. How we can do same, you need to enter this variable name, list data dot. Right now you see there are lots of function, and we need to use the insert this one, or we can say where you want to insert. Want to insert in the one and comma, and what you want to insert here, and I want to insert this user enter. Just copy this one and paste here. Yeah, and one is like this is 0 1 2 like this. Okay, now let's test how it's work, guys. Yes, now maybe everything is done. Save this one, and everything is done, not need to change in the LabVIEW. And let's I remove this one first. Yeah, and click to run, guys, and you can see right now Rohit, and this is the one gap because user input is blank right now, that's why it's give the blank option. Second is the Sandeep and Himanshu. It's insert means it's add the value or add the data as per your requirement. Like you enter one, that's why it's Rohit is 0, and next is 1, Rohit 0, this is 1, that's why it's give the blank here. When I enter the message here, let's time enter here Pradeep, and you can see it's insert in the one index 0 1 2 3. What you do, let's change the 1. Okay, let's change to the 2 and see in the LabVIEW, and wait, and you can see Sandeep is the second, and now Pradeep is the third one, because you enter here 2 and it start from 0 1 and 2, guys. Now let I want to like Pradeep in like this user input in the first index, or you can say 0 index. How we can do this? Nothing, you can enter here 0, and now you can see Pradeep, Rohit, Sandeep, Himanshu. This is the meaning of the insert. Now it's also covered. Now let's come on the next one, that is the pop, how it's work, and del. Now let's stop the vi. uh yes, and let's the pop. What you do, let's I comment this one is what you do. Let's I not need to delete this one, and I'm enter here normally list data dot. Now we need to use the pop this one, and in this you need to enter, like you need to enter the index here. Okay, now let's choose the one index. Yeah, one is your Rohit, maybe your Rohit. Now let's save this one and run this vi, guys. And right now you can see Pradeep, now Rohit is removed from this list using the pop, and here you need to enter the index. If you enter 1, then Rohit is removed. If you enter here 0, then Pradeep is removed. And let's see, you can see Pradeep is removed right now, the Rohit, Sandeep and Himanshu. Yeah, 3. Okay, now Pradeep, and I want to remove the Sandeep here, this one. How we can do this? This one is pop, and Sandeep is in the 1, and let's I remove this one, and I'm enter 1, and let's see now Sandeep is removed. Now Rohit is 1, second Sandeep is removed, third Himanshu available here, and the next one is Pradeep. This is the pop function. Now instead of pop you can use the del also, and I will explain you how it's work. And what we do, you need to enter here, let's remove this one. Yeah, you need to enter del. Okay, and you need to enter your variable name where you store the list. Yeah, list data, and it's give the error because it's continue run. Then let's stop this one. Yeah, list, and what you do, you need to enter the index. Okay, and what you want to delete, like I want to delete the one number 1, or we can say 0, means Rohit. I want to delete this Rohit. Save this one. Now run the vi and see right now the Rohit is deleted. Same work as like a pop. Yeah, right now what you do, let's I want to delete the Sandeep, then you need to change here index is 1, and you can see now Sandeep is removed from this. This one is also complete. Let's come on the remove, how it's work, remove. Now let's stop this one, and Okay, now we use the remove. Now let's delete this one, and right now I'm at here list data dot. Now we need the remove, and in the remove function we need to enter what you want to remove. Yes, yes, I want to remove the Sandeep Himanshu like this. I want to remove the Himanshu. Now you need to enter the Himanshu here, copy this one, sorry, yeah, copy this name Himanshu and paste here. Yes, like this. Save this one and click to run the vi and see the output. Right now the Rohit, Sandeep and Pradeep Himanshu is removed. You can see this is the remove function, how it's work, guys. You can modify, you can try yourself, okay, expand more thing about this. Yeah, now let's come on the next one, that is the very important a dot extend, or like this combine the two list. How we can do this? Now let's stop the vi and let's minimize, guys. Yeah, now what you do, let's, I will create the two list here. This is one, and the second list is I'm at here list data, list data one, this one, sorry, this. Yeah, now we need to save the data here. We need to add the data, like I'm at here first I remove this to here. Okay, and this one also I'm enter the message like Deep, okay, and Ajay. Yes, guys, Deep and Ajay, this one is our list. This one is second list, this one is first list. Now how we can combine these two lists? Now what to do, let's I'm remove this user input, because I not need to this one right now. Let's I remove this one. Now what you do, guys, let's I remove this thing. Yes, and what you do, first we need to enter this variable which list you want to add the second list data. Now this one is my first list, that's why I'm enter list data, this one and this one dot. You need to add the extend. In the extend you need to enter which list you want to extend. I need to extend the list data one. Then you need to enter here, guys, list data one, this one. Now everything is done, means this two list at in one combined list. Now let's check how it's work, and yeah, maybe everything is done, guys. Now I'm not use the user input, that's why let's I remove this one and only click to run and see how it's work, guys. You can see right now in the Python I have two list, okay, and using this using the extend function we can easy to add the two list or multiple list, guys. You see right now Rohit and Sandeep is the list one item, Deep and Ajay is the list two item, guys. Yeah, now what you do, let's I'm remove the Ajay here like this, and you can see Rohit, Sandeep and Deep. Help with this you can easy to do. Now the last one, that is the change, how we can change the list item, guys. Okay, now let's stop this one, and let's what we do. Yeah, now I'm using here, and that is list data, this one. I want to change the list data one, and we need to enter the index, like I want to change the one, or we can say 0, Rohit, equal to what you want. Like I'm equal to, right now I'm using the user, enter this argument. Yes, guys, and it's give to a result here. Yeah, now save this one, and right now I'm in here search a research, okay, and click to run, and you can see right now Rohit is replaced to the research. This is the function, its work. Help with this you can easy to change the list items, guys. Now the research is one, the next one is Sandeep, and the last one is Deep. Next I want to, yeah, I want to change, or I want to replace to Deep to a research. Then how we can do, and you need to change the index here, like this is 0 1 2. Right now let's amend it 2, and you can see right now one is Rohit, second is Sandeep, and the Deep is changed to a research. This is the list items, guys. This is the list topic of the Python. Now we done in LabVIEW also, guys. And thank you so much, guys. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, guys.